What is Berma Grid? It is a grid of dotted lines drawn in the background of the chart. Its purpose is to show the main direction of price movement. The Berma Grid consists of a set of standard deviation channels, all calculated for the same period. The difference between these channels is the multiplier used to calculate the standard deviation. The Berma Grid is used as an indicator of price movement. When the grid is trending upwards, this is an indication that the main trend of price movement is up. When the Berma Grid is trending downwards, this is an indication that the main trend of price movement is down. Finally, when the Berma Grid moves horizontally, this is evidence that the main direction of price movement is sideways. At the end, my friend, we have basically learned about the Berma Grid tool. Now let's move on to the next topic.